Guys, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick unboxing of the Loot Crate box of October. It's supposed to be zombie themed, so I'm going to be showing you guys real quick. Okay, so there's a shirt, and here's the brochure that shows everything that's inside the box. Survive. And it shows like a bunch of information, Mega Crate, featured looters, and everything that's inside. So, let's show you guys what's inside. We got 8-bit zombie buttons. We got a crossbow, zombie hand, and a first aid kit. We got candy. I got a brain. A zombie license. Yeah, this is for like showing off and stuff. Zombie hunter. Yep. What else? Got a zombie card. I love your guts. Your brains are nice too. What else? We got tattoos. We got a safe tattoo and a infected tattoo, so that's pretty cool. What else? A coupon code for Graphic Lab t-shirts, and there's a shirt in this box too. And final item is a zombie survival guide. Author of World War Z. Shows everything for their surviving a zombie apocalypse. And then the final item we have is the shirt. So I'm just gonna move that. Hold on, guys. Okay, guys, this is the shirt. Ewoking Dead. It's pretty funny. There's Ewoks that are zombies now. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.